Are you a cleaning contractor ready to take your business to the next level? Tired of the administrative headaches and looking for guaranteed growth? Welcome to the Squeaky Clean Affiliate Partnership Program. Our program is designed for independent cleaning contractors just like you, offering the tools, support, and guidance you need to scale your business without the stress. Imagine focusing on what you do best while we handle the rest. With Squeaky Clean, you get personalized mentorship every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, our mentors have the experience to help you build a profitable, sustainable cleaning business. And the best part? Once you complete the program and earn your subcontractor certification, you'll receive guaranteed cleaning contracts. That's right, we'll help you secure the jobs you need to keep growing. So, if you're ready to stop worrying about admin work and start growing your business, the Squeaky Clean Affiliate Partnership Program is your next step. Visit us today to learn more and take your first step towards business success.